Hello everyone, we are here at the organic garden at Alila Ubud in Bali, Indonesia. Today we are going to be showing you how to make a simple but delicious dish called Perkedel Jagung or Indonesian Balinese fritters. My name is JP and
Sepoyan.
And we're going to be here to show you how to make this delicious dish. Chef, what do we need for this dish?
Okay, so the main ingredient will be sweet corn. So just make it kernel. So you can see here. We have eggs. We have rice flour. This is for the crispiness. And this one is maizena or corn flour. This is for stickiness. And we have salt. For the sauce, later we make Colo sauce, the Maluku sauce. So basically sweet soya sauce, light soya, and tomato, chili. And for the spice, for the corn fritter, we have shallot, garlic, turmeric, lesser galangal, and chili. And at the end, we have kaffir lime leaf.
Alright, Chef, what do we do here?
As usual, as the main ingredient for corn fritter, we have the spice. So we need to chop it up and pound it in the modern pestle.
Alright. This is red chilies.
Yes, chili.
Now, is this very hot or very spicy?
No, this one is not really spicy, but if you like spicy, we put hot chili as well.
Got it.
Okay, so one hot chili.
Okay, only the small ones are the hot chili.
Yes, correct. And some salt. You make it finer and easier to pound it. Depends how you like it. So this one is lesser galangal or aromatic ginger.
What's a substitute for aromatic ginger?
Aromatic ginger, you can just put a normal ginger as well, no problems.
A little bit more shallots.
Yeah, and some garlic. Just 2 garlic, you know. And turmeric. See, it's a yellowish spice.
Beautiful color on the turmeric.
Yeah. Okay, and then all this ingredient, just put it in the modern pestle, and we can start to pound it.
Just pound it like this.
Yeah, right. So one holding and one pressure.
Adding some salt.
So let's make it easier you to grind it.
Alright, so after a couple of minutes, it looks like it's pretty finely ground. Chef, what do we need to do?
Now we just put in the corn.
And grind it in as well.
Yes. So Indonesian corn fritter is normally rough, not fine like the American one, and more savory. So yeah, push there. Yes, all mixed together. So you can smell. You can
smell the turmeric.
Yeah.
You can smell the spices, and the turmeric lends a great color. How much do we pound this, Chef?
So like you know, almost there. Like another 1 minute, and we'll be ready.
Alright, Chef, I think this is looking ready.
Oh, now it's ready. Now we add 1 egg.
Just mix it around.
Yes, just mix it around. And 2 spoons of rice flour. Just make it slowly. Yeah, because
That's rice flour.
yes, rice flour. Just make it crispy. And this one is corn flour. 2 spoons as well. Okay. Good. Now at the end we just add on some coriander.
Now Now, chef, since we're using corn flour
Yeah.
and rice flour, that means this dish would be gluten-free, right?
Correct. Good. And this corn fritter is good for canapé as well. If you have party, and you can use corn fritter as canapé. And at the end we put the kaffir lime leaf. Just chop it up.
It's kaffir lime.
Yeah.
Kaffir lime leaf. Wow, you can really smell the
You can
aroma
smell it there.
of kaffir limes.
Okay. Now ready to fry.
And this is it. This is ready. This is
That's ready.
good to fry
This
already.
dough ready. Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent. Now, for people who don't have the mortar and pestle at home, or for those who want to make this sooner, I'm sure this can be done in a blender as well,
Yes,
correct?
blender or chopper, it's work.
Blender or chopper, just as long as it's not too
Too fine.
fine.
Correct.
Ken.
All right, so before we start frying, we're going to make the sauce that accompanies our corn fritters, right?
Yeah, correct. So basically the ingredient is a green tomato and red tomato from our garden, and red chili, shallot, and kaffir lime leaf. And we have also sweet soya sauce and light soya sauce. So what we do is just dice the red tomato first, because this one got a lot of water, so we not seed it. Take out the seeds and just dice it. Okay. You just need like half of red tomato.
Just half of the tomato.
Yes. Press in. Okay. And put it in bowl. And we need like 2 baby green tomato. So this one is a bit sour, and this one sweeter, so a bit different. This one a bit chunky, and this one is crunchy. So when you eat it, you get crunchiness from the green tomato.
And when you bite into it, since it's chunky, it'll give you that the tart
Texture,
taste.
yes, correct. Okay. And some salad. Salad just need to slice it finely. All mixed together. And the red chili, just slice it.
And this chili is not very hot, correct?
Correct. This one similar like bell pepper.
Mm-hmm.
And if you like spicier, and you can just add a small chili. So we have 1 small chili. This one a bit spicy.
And that's the one that's going to provide the heat for the
Yes,
sauce.
correct. Now, kaffir lime leaf. You just need to chop it up as well. Very fine. Okay, you need a very sharp knife for this.
I can smell that from here. Mm.
Yes. See? Okay. Now will be the light soya sauce. This is about 4 tablespoons. 4. And the light soya sauce. Now it's sweet soya sauce. This one more than the light soya sauce. So 1, 2, 3.
That's about 5.
Yeah, about 5. And mix it. See? Fresh. And at the end, we put the kaffir lime juice.
And here to finish the kaffir limes.
Correct. The Colo sauce is ready.
A beautiful, colorful sauce. All right, let's fry our fritters. All right, chef. So this is ready to fry. Is this not too loose, or this is perfect for
No,
frying?
this perfect, because when too hot, they will be tough. Like the corn cake will be
Flat.
flat, yes, correct.
Excellent.
So
Excellent.
you want like fluffy corn cake.
Excellent.
Okay, look like the oil already hot. So just take 1 spoon each, and then you just put, see, sizzling.
Now this is medium heat.
Yes, correct. You want to try?
Yeah, let me see if I can
Yeah.
get one in there that's gonna stay cold.
Yeah, just put.
Let's slide it out of the spoon.
Correct. See?
All right.
Very easy. So we cook it until it's golden brown, crispy outside, but inside will be fluffy.
Right, looks like it's starting to set.
Yeah, you see the edge of the corn cake when it's getting
Golden
golden
brown?
brown is, and then you just turn it over. See, like the color. See?
That is a beautiful golden brown color.
See?
Just
wait
another
on
minute.
the side, and then we're done. Very easy.
Oh, I can't wait. Looks delicious.
Okay, we have a second batch. Almost ready as well. Just turn it out.
Getting it, drain it on some paper towels.
Okay, done.
All right, chef.
Okay, after draining, just put on the plate. Just arrange nicely. Okay, and put the sauce on top.
All right, now time to try our Perkedel Jagung. Looks amazing, chef. Let's see.
It's how hot.
Mm.
How is it?
Mm. Fantastic.
You got the freshness, the saltiness, crunchiness.
Wait, I think I need another bite. Hmm. Absolutely amazing. You're absolutely right. Very different than other corn fritters.
Yeah.
This one is actually not very bready or battery. It's actually more corn than batter, and it's quite nice and very light and fluffy. Thank you, chef.
Thank you.
Amazing dish.